Boom, 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 boom. Oh. That on a morning stroll, you know? Yeah, man. Stroll these streets and get this fresh air inside our lungs. Right, mama? Yeah. We're outside where the bugs live.
Everything,
Big chilling.
Just like that. Alright?
So I say you just wet the chicken with that. Make sure so the chicken stay moist and them thing.
And the British, you know? What's up? Man, I feel for some jam food. So I go to a jam restaurant, you know? And I think the lighter there for me, you know? Can see the blue lighter. Yeah, ja. Get this food in my system. I order jerk chicken. Well, me never order it, but I going to order and the drive jerk chicken, escovitch fish, and callaloo. So hopefully them have that, you know. Yeah, get my Jamaican food in me. Yeah. My bum buckle, I tell you. Listen to Jamaican music where you get Jamaican food, you know. Oh, school kids. In a 76 in a big rolling split. That's right. Carry news, boy, what the fuck? No. 1 million like no live, no there. None of that make them vex. Not true. Eat on them. Calamis. A bag of shit. Uno is a bitch. Uno is a snitch. Man rich and me happy. Money don't change me. Me a money changer. But if you diss me a danger. Me work hard for the paper. Cause we want big house and we want skyscraper. No girl can change me. Me a girl changer. Girl enough like me paper. Oh, I live my life. That's right. Oh, I live my life. That's right. Ha. Tell them. What me do? What me do? Right. My life, no drama, ma. I mean, I want a freak, no freakitisha, no. Bitch, I'm a rasta. Nah. Wake up, I the king, herbs in on me hand. Jumping on me ride in a man. Police pull me over the UI in a man. But me rich, a lot son, my mind in a man. Yeah. Crosses, cops go suck your mother. You say, officer, go suck your mother. Yeah. Officer said, oh no, on the arm. Boop! Me bash the chart. The investment took me far. Happiness and joy are them. Yeah. Never let them catch you doing wrong. They will punish you man. High grade herbs, marijuana now. Smoke it, keep calm, mama. No time for drama, mama. Tell the police that bye, bye. No freaky tishana, no. I'm a rasta, no. Pick it from the step. Yeah. Every car me drive a luxury. Champion fashion killer. Bop. Bop. Him raise one stepper, yeah. From 17 a hustle, dog them can't stop for me shine. Dog them don't have money like mine. Dog in the range, marijuana not right now. A drama. Yo! Mama still enjoy sleep. Get some of this food in my system, you know? Book 'em, the whole place shook 'em. Yo, look on. Ha. I get myself some Jamaican roots. Hey, 11. You know, you see your father make roots. And you if you get the blood clot roots to me, and you know, link me upon that blood clot then. You know, me, I need to ever talk about that roots thing there. But yeah, me come find roots. Yeah. Yeah, roots. This is for the men that are... Huh? Oh, yeah, Carl. This is for the men that are good in bed. They drink stuff like this to replenish. Yeah, real.
Hi, I was wondering, are you able to buy in store, or are you guys only delivery? Okay, are there any, do you know of any dispensaries in...
Like me parliament, me a them politician. Me set the rules and the law, the legislation. She have the fitness, me stamp the registration. All type, all race or segregation. I could a skinny, medium size or a fat one. Cool, lukewarm dog or a hot one. Every time the girls a pass me, I have to stop one. When me see the girl them, me get happy, hearty. Woman alone me free. She want P and me want V. Me love the girls like it's the TV. Me tell you this. Just about to take off. I got taste some of the roots, man. Blood clot. I got to go back in. I got to go get more roots. You see what I'm saying? All the ladies smiling at me. You see that? Over there, no easy. Anyway, watch it. Hey, no ramp with the Jamaicans with a foreign, you know. You know, me just pay $5 US for your tambourine in a foreign. Yo, I don't think tambourine costs $1.99. But you know what? A Jamaica. You see me? So I have to support my people them. Because me is a man that go Burberry, go spend 2, 3, 4 grand. So, it not take me nothing to support them. Yeah. Yeah, daddy. $25 later. 10, 5.
They're both, these are $10?
Yeah, $10 for the small one.
Oh,
Yeah. Come I think of $5 for one. And I go beat 4, but yeah, it's worth it. No, let me put this in the fridge.
Those are good. I like it.
Oh, you tried? Biggie a buzz, you know.
I was just like reading, I was like 10%.
Yeah, because fermented. Natural alcohol, you know? If you're gonna drink, go natural. This is Jamaican tambourine ball. You see what I'm saying? Singular ball. Jamaican tambourine ball. It's basically tambourine dipping sugar and stuff.
Did he say to the left or the right?
He ain't tell me, you know. Maybe I look for grabber.
What is this?
It's a gym.
There's a stick in it.
Sometimes seed in them too. I don't see no grabber place. Man send me pan wild goose on. Yeah. Blood clot. What more can a man ask for? Tambourine ball and blood clot, Baba Root. I know Baba Root is, but I have Baba Root, so. Tambourine seed drop what I want to show you. That bitch drop between the seat too, you know. Just did a split now, man. Blood clot. It lift now, man.
That's for the A&D.
Yeah, man, right. I was saying, man, so busy.
The only ID car is the Lexus. The other two are non-ID.
Why can't she fit in AMG?
No, they do. Well, Ron said this that it could go. It could fit in the back. No, it's a sports car. It's just a.
Here, this is right here.
Hallelujah.
Oh my God! It's so fucking big. We were walking.
Yeah. The food was amazing. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Cool, man. I doing me smoke a marijuana. Last time I check it, talk cheap. Them cheap. Last time I check it, still I do it. Range Rover G. Last time I take it, big dodging at the street. But them a laughter. I wouldn't think them left me out. Now them a laughter. Yeah.